Welcome to our next particular session on Excel. Key Hussein is my name. Today I'm going to carry on how you can manage your accounting reports. So over to the practical. Welcome to our next session, accounting reports. Before we start computing, we have to format the spreadsheet so that it can look more or appear more presentable. So this is the caption, so I'm going to format it. I will highlight it and mesh it over here, mesh and center. Then I will now bold it. I can increase the font size, or let me reduce it. Then I can apply color if I wish. It is optional, so it's just to make your work to look more presentable, to look nice. Okay, so just highlight it like this very one, name of company, digital source key enterprise. So I will highlight the whole of it. I want it to be here at the center, and then I can as well apply similar background color over here. Then same thing here, and then digital services. Okay, so this is just like a next one, digital services, then mesh and center. Okay, all right, so that is it. So this is the account report for the month of January. That is what I'm presenting. So I will mesh that one to the center again. The account report for the month of January. All right, so I think we are good to go. All right, so this one is the program 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, total number of students, sum total. These are the rows, and the whole of this the column. So I'll highlight this one and bold also as I've done the other one. So I'll bold this one also. Okay, so I think I may apply color. Alright, so I think it's looking nice now. Training prices. This one is I'm giving the training prices. I have it there, training prices for all of this. Okay, so alright, so my work is looking nice, or is looking better now. Alright, with this I can now start the computation. So this is just how we can do some basic formatting on spreadsheet Excel. The other things that you see learn more, I have a guide, I have a handout that can see guide. But for now, let's see furthermore, proceed on the computation aspect of it. This is SQL week 1. All these things, they have dates. Okay, here's the date. Oh, I didn't even include this. Okay, so let me do likewise here. Same here. Okay, I will extend this one to reach that side as well, so I can be uniform. Okay, likewise this other one, so also carry the same thing here. Then okay, I also mesh it just like we did the other one. Okay, alright, so this other one also the same thing. Alright, okay, I think that one can be there. So just apply same color here, same here also. Okay, right. Alright, so that is how you can do some basic formatting. Then now let's navigate to the calculation aspect of it. Okay, let's start the computation. Before then, let's add a currency symbol to this amount. So I will highlight it, and then I will hover here and then click and then select on the English United States USD, the first one, and then I'm going to remove these 2 decimals. Alright, so now let's calculate for total. So equals to this amount, that is I7 times times this number of students, which is 10, that which is J7. You press enter key. Okay, we have it. Then click on it, point on this small icon, that is auto sum, double click on it to have the rest. Okay, now we want to get the sum total. For us to get the sum total, you highlight it and then click on auto sum. Okay, you've gotten it. You can click here and then drag through to get the remaining. So that is it. So the total is 49,508 USD, that dollars. So that is how you can compute. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.